What's going on, everybody? Everything Credit here. So I wanted to make this quick video about the correct documents needed for me to work on your credit or any other company, or even if you want to do it yourself. So you can use a driver's license, an ID card, or a passport for proof of identification, but they must be in date. In other words, it cannot be an expired driver's license or ID card. Not sure if a passport, I'm sure they do have a date on them. I haven't really had a whole lot of people sign up with passports, maybe two or three. But so if you'll look to the right in the blue for proof of address, you can use a water bill, an electric bill, a gas bill, a bank or credit card statement. It's got to be the statement, y'all. Pay stub or a cell phone bill. It must be less than 60 days old. This is why I want y'all to send me a new proof of address every month so we don't run into any issues. All right. Name must be the same on ID and proof of address. So the reasoning behind this video is I was kind of going back and forth with a client yesterday, and I couldn't get him to understand his name was different on his license than his proof of address. So my name is David, but some people call me Dave. So if my driver's license says David, but my water bill says Dave, they're not going to investigate. There is a very, very, very slim chance they're going to investigate. So you need to make sure your name is the exact same on the ID and the proof of address. If address on your ID does not match your proof of address, meaning one of the 1 through 6 bills, then you must send me 2 of the documents listed above. In other words, if you have an old address on your ID card, driver's license, then what's on your water bill or electric bill, gas bill, bank statement, credit card statement, pay stub, or cell phone bill, then I will need 2 of those. It is required to send 2 if it does not match the driver's license. Otherwise, it's just going to be a big deal to the credit bureaus. Well, your driver's license has a different address than your water bill. So if you have a water bill and electric bill, send both. If you have electric bill, gas bill, any combination of the 2 is fine. But remember, it has to be a statement and it has to have a date on there. I know some of you still to this day send me stuff that, I send it anyway because you're paying me, so I'm going to mail the letters out. But I don't think you understand how much better your results could be if you would just get me the right documentation each month to send to the bureaus. This just speeds everything up and doesn't give them any excuse to not investigate these letters, because that's what we're trying to do, is get them to investigate these letters. If anybody has any questions about this video, just comment. You can send me a text message or email. I'll leave all that information in the description of the video, as well as a link to my website, My Free Score Now, and Smart Credit. If you are ready to sign up, I'll also leave the direct link that goes straight to the sign up page, so you don't have to go to my website and just fill out the personal information and then send me a text message, and I will send you the welcome email. If you want to have a consultation, we can definitely have a consultation. I have consultations on Saturdays and Sunday afternoons, even though I'm off, just because I'm here to work with everybody. And if I can fit you into my schedule anyway, I promise you I will. If it's at midnight and I'm awake and you want a consultation, guess what? We'll have a quick consultation. That's not a problem. Hope y'all have a great Sunday.